So, one of the first things that I do before starting off a new semester is to declutter my digital space. I think it's very important considering that a lot of things have been happening online and just all the projects have gone digital. It becomes very important to declutter it because a lot of files are like really huge and you just need to get rid of them before next semester when you start working and you literally have no space in your laptop. And especially it's a kind of stress I have all the time considering my laptop is just facing these storage issues all the time. So this is one of the first things that I want to do. And also secondly, I want to declutter my Notion page. If you would have seen my Notion video, which will be linked up in the I button, I had made certain pages for certain things that I might not need this semester. So I have to declutter it and I have to reschedule or change a lot of things considering that all my schedules are changing as offline college is going to resume very soon. So that is one of the first priorities that I'm going to be doing today. Also, I have to upload a new video, so for that I'll be working for that. So yeah, those are one of the first priorities, but I've given myself only an hour to do it. Generally when I do such kind of task I get very distracted because they can be a bit boring and time consuming, so I'm aiming to do it in an hour. Let's see how that happens.
Yeah, let's go.
JC on the
Yeah,
track, boy.
no way, I can't control my mind. Wait, cause you're up today.
One of the things that I really wanted to finish before my holidays get over is one of the artworks that I was working on. So I found this reference on Pinterest and I wanted to like duplicate it and make it, like try to do it on digital software. Like I use Ibis Paint on my iPad. I used to use Sketchbook or something else, I don't remember, but I use Ibis Paint these days. It's quite fun. So I am thinking of finishing that. I don't think a lot is left. I think I'll need another 2 hours or 3 hours to finish it. I have already done the drawing and everything. It's just that I didn't have time and I got bored, so I just left that artwork. So instead of starting something new, I'm going to be finishing that. So I have not been active on my art Instagram a lot. I mean, you can follow me over there. But I want to really get back. I always say that, but I think I'll do it for a month and I'll stop. Anyways, at least for a month, I should start somewhere. So instead of starting something new, I'm going to be finishing my old one. So yeah, let's do that.